Hello guys, I'm be buying this motorbike in Jailbreak. It is 35,000 and I have 38,000. And buy it. Let's see how slow this thing actually is.
Bam, Tycoon. I'm joking, that's not a Tycoon.
This thing's pretty slow.
That's just a big hotel.
So we're gonna race it real quick
I'm gonna put me under that owner title.
No, me too.
against the Camaro
We gotta put ourselves to.
and customize this.
We gotta put both
No.
of us. I'll put developer under me.
Wait, what's developer?
They're making a Tycoon right now.
What's developer?
I'm like helping
Yeah,
you
this
work
thing's
on the
pretty
game.
slow.
Okay. Where are we gonna put the owner at?
It'll be on top. It'll be
Okay.
on top of us.
We're gonna go straight across like every
Did you
other
take it out?
YouTuber.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Want
1.
me to put it back on?
We don't need it.
Oh look, I put it. Why is there a big owner sign right here?
Guys, this thing is so slow.
No, don't take it out. Don't take it out.
Oh.
Put it back in. Let me fix it. I'll work on that. You work on whatever else.
Well, I don't want to work that.
No, I ragdolled.
How many hotels should we do?
Rob the train.
How many hotels should we do?
Rob the
I
train.
don't even know, dude. I don't even know how to make a good Tycoon, to be honest.
Let's do 4. So here's gonna be 1 right here. We're gonna put green hotel.
Stop ragdolling me.
How do we type it? Oh, sign. How do we type on the sign?
So we're gonna rob the train,
Wait,
guys.
wait. Hey, what's your username? Pipswink.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, guys, let's rob this train. Rip Jailbreak cash, cause now I'm only 3,000.
How do I do it on the how do I do signs?
Trying to just glitch my money out. Pretty sure it works like
How
this.
do I do signs?
Wait up.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so look, I'll teach you how. Look, I'll just work on it. Look, dude, because you know what I can do? I can work on
Be
it.
a
if you insert something
hobo
you don't know how to do it.
and
Look.
ride the train to the gas station.
No, it says sign and
Hey guys, last place we're robbing is the gas station.
how to use classing script.
I got it.
Wait, did you put
Please
like-
don't
What do
be
you
broke,
wanna put on the text? What do you
Asimo.
put on there? What do you wanna put on the
3089.
text?
We're gonna do green hotel, blue hotel, red hotel, and yellow hotel. How do you do that though? I just
Bye guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and see you next video. Bye.
Wait,